This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the hardware and network in place. Once done, open Citrix Workspace and sign in. Make sure your OS identifies both screens and set the primary monitor. This controls toolbar placement. Next, check Workspace preferences. Enable Use Full Screen on all monitors or similar. If you're on a browser, select the Citrix Receiver plug, an option that allows multi-monitor. These first steps ensure the session can span displays, preserving resolution and input behavior. When you launch, once signed in, don't just double-click the desktop. Open the desktop's launch options. You'll see display controls. Pick full screen on all monitors so the session spans both screens. If you face scaling problems, set the remote resolution to match your primary monitor and disable display scaling in the OS for Citrix Workspace. When the desktop appears, move windows between screens to confirm continuity. Citrix maps monitors in order, so arrange your physical displays to match the virtual layout for predictable cursor movement. Finish by confirming toolbars and taskbars appear where expected. If not, sign out and relaunch with the correct display order. Make sure Workspace DPI handling matches your OS scaling. Mismatches cause blurry apps. If a monitor stays blank, reconnect the Citrix session first. If that fails, update GPU drivers and the Workspace client. One key tip: test with a small app first, so you can quickly relaunch with different display settings without interrupting real work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.